Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we are working on an Audi SQ5. As you can see here, we've got this standard factory wing mirrors with the indicators that literally just flash on and off. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be changing this and converting it so it's not like a nice sweeping motion, which does look quite cool, and at night it will look quite good as well. So this is just one of the angles that you can see it from, and what I'll do is I'll flick the camera around and show you the overall effect that you currently get. Right, so we've done the installation, we've taken the wing mirror apart, we have filmed a how to do that video for our YouTube channel. But as you can see, we've got this brand new indicator. It's got a really nice smoked lens across there, and it's giving you that sweeping dynamic indicator. So even if you don't have front or rear dynamic indicators, this will still give that look. So we're currently in the daylight in our workshop, so we're going to turn the lights off so that you can see what it's like at night. And as you can see, you get that really nice scrolling effect. Hopefully you can see that on the old cameras there. So we'll turn the lights back on. These mirrors, these indicators are going to be available on our website, and like I said, we've filmed a how-to video for this SQ5 Q5 so you can do it yourself. But as we start doing more videos across the range, the A6, the A3, A4, etc., we'll do how-to videos, and so you can see these dynamic indicators and how cool they look. And you don't have to pay for someone to install them, you can do it yourself. We give you the trim tools, and yeah, so the website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk.